Okay, listen up guys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to roll this using a 9-inch roller. So follow through, okay? And I'm going to teach you how to do that. Come over here and dunk your roller. Make sure you dunk it 3 times. A little bit to get in there. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to put this on the wall. Around the middle, we're going to go all the way up and all the way down. We're going to come right through here. Go sideways if you have to. Get some paint on there. Come over here, go all the way down, all the way back up. Do a little bit under here. Go back up here, blend all this in. Let's move it over a little. Paint on the roller. Okay, we want to go back over the work and blend everything in. Make sure you don't have any holidays, runs, and sags. All right, let's dunk that roller. The roller is dry right now. Let's fill it up. Let's give it a drink. That's the proper way to do that. Bring it over to your wall. Go all the way down, all the way back up. Now let's go over our work. To make sure we get any holidays, see the holidays up here? We want to get all that the first time. Okay, let's get down here. Let's get all the imperfections out of there. Dunk your roller. Halfway up the wall. All the way down. Over a little bit. All the way back up. Now let's go back down and go over our work. Very lightly go up and down to remove any holidays, blemishes. Dunk your roller. Halfway up. Over a little bit. Go over our work now. Medium pressure, light pressure. Medium pressure, light pressure, light pressure. There you go. Dunk your roller. Start in the middle. Go all the way down, over a little. Medium, start in the middle. All the way up, all the way down, over a little, all the way back up. Go back down. Let's go over the work and make sure we get rid of any holidays, blemishes. There you go. Dunk your roller. All the way up, all the way down, over a little. There you go. Let's go over the work. Dunk your roller. Very lightly this time for above the door. Excellent. Outstanding job. Outstanding. You just completed your accent wall. We're going to put a second coat on this the same exact way.